Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a highly requested hair tutorial. I shared this photo on Instagram a couple weeks ago and the feedback I got was tremendous and a lot of you wanted to see how I styled my hair, so here I am giving you said hair tutorial. For this style, you are going to need some duck clips or a scrunchie to keep your hair out of your face or just tuck it away for the time being. You are going to need a lot of hairpins. And to really take this style up a notch, I suggest getting some hair beads. I got this from my local beauty supply store. And of course, you're going to need some rubber bands. If you want to see how I got my hair from this to this, keep on watching. Alright guys, the first thing you want to do is grab a small section of hair right in front of your ear. This is the section that you are going to be using to create the twists that you have on both sides of your head. Then you are going to flip over to the other side and do the exact same thing. Once you have the section to your thickness and to your liking, then you are going to clip that away with your duck clip, and then we are going to start on our part. I personally like a deeper part when I'm doing this style. I think it just allows the style to frame your face a bit more. So I extend it to about right behind my ear, and I'm usually happy with that line. You can go as far back or as deep as you would like the part. For the first section of our hair, we are going to be taking small pieces and tucking them together while continuing the roll. So you will take one small piece, flip it over the roll and tuck it in. Then you continue by taking another small piece, flipping it over and tucking it into the roll. I suggest doing smaller pieces if you have short locks because they have a tendency to stick out randomly. We are going to continue this all the way down to the right, and don't forget to move your twist out of the way. Small pieces, flip it over and tuck it in. Now we are going to move on to the other side and do the exact same thing. Just remember that this section is a little bit thinner and won't be as hard to tuck and roll. After securing that section with a hair tie, you are going to grab your bobby pins and start pinning your roll in place. I find that the locks tend to shift around quite a bit while I am going throughout my day. So I like to tuck them in. I use as many bobby pins as I like because I just want my hair to stay one place. You can obviously make this as loose or as tight as you'd like. I don't like anything too tight on my head or in my hair, so I have a tendency to keep them loose. If you want a tighter tuck and roll, you can do so. When you have tucked and roll and both sections come together, you want to grab the ends and tuck them almost like a lobster roll, if I am not mistaken, is the term. And you want to just make sure that you have rolled all the way down and tucked your hair in as much as you can. And bobby pins will be your friend for this style. Use as many as you like to keep that roll in place. Once you are satisfied with how your roll and tuck is looking on both sides, you want to go ahead and put the beads on your twists to finish off this look. I had to improvise and use a bobby pin because I did not have a bead tool, but it worked out perfectly fine because the beads are pretty big. What you want to do is once you've put your last bead on, you want to flip your hair over that last bead, grab a rubber band and rubber band it down so that you can secure your hair on the beads and that the beads will not fall off. Here is the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love this look. It is so simple and so cute. If you guys give it a try, please let me know because I would love to see it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.